Hello everyone, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com. Introducing today the oak gun stock in the new XLT size. That means it's an 8mm thick, 9-inch wide, and 6 foot long. I went ahead and racked out a couple of boxes so you can kind of see the design and the overall sizing. There's 4 planks in a box, and each box weighs about 50 pounds. It does have the wood grain embossing surface with a micro beveled edge. And this is different from a painted bevel in that it's just a subtle edge roll-in. See if we can see it here. And that is very subtle, but yet you can see it just a little bit. And we still offer the other 2 sizes in oak gun stock. The original has a painted bevel edge, and then we have a basics version, which is a smaller size plank, and it has the micro bevel edge. It's the oak gun stock basic. This is our #1 seller, folks. Really is a classic. It has been well to work with in modern, rustic, and traditional design settings. We've got samples ready to go. Go ahead and get online and get your samples and let us know if we can help you at all. We're here to help. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.